Upbeat music begins. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at something truly special. This isn't just a car. It's a statement. A masterpiece of engineering and luxury that redefines what it means to drive. Scene, close up on the car's emblem, then a slow pan across its sleek aerodynamic body. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know you're in the presence of greatness. Every curve, every line has been meticulously crafted. The designers didn't just build a car. They sculpted a work of art. The paint, a deep, lustrous black, seems to absorb the light itself, giving it an almost otherworldly presence. Scene, the man opens the door with a satisfying thud. Camera moves inside the luxurious interior. But the real magic begins when you step inside. You're not just getting into a car. You're entering a sanctuary. The scent of premium leather fills the air. The seats, hand-stitched and ergonomically designed, wrap around you, offering a level of comfort that feels more like a first-class lounge than a vehicle. Every surface you touch, from the cool, brushed aluminum trim to the polished carbon fiber, feels solid, premium, and built to last. Scene, man's hands on the steering wheel close up on the dashboard lighting up. And then you press the start button. Sound of a powerful engine roaring to life, then settling into a low, menacing purr. That's the sound of power. A twin-turbo V8 ready to unleash a symphony of performance at your command. The dashboard comes to life, a stunning high-resolution display that gives you all the information you need, right where you need it. The infotainment system is intuitive, seamless, and integrates perfectly with all your devices. Scene, the car cruising on a scenic coastal highway. Drone shots showing the car from above. But what's it like to drive? In a word, breathtaking. On the open road, it's a grand tourer in the truest sense. Smooth, stable, and incredibly quiet. It eats up miles effortlessly, making even the longest journeys feel like a pleasure cruise. The adaptive suspension reads the road ahead, constantly adjusting to provide the perfect balance between comfort and handling. Scene, the car taking on winding mountain roads with precision. Quick cuts of the wheels gripping the tarmac. But don't let that comfort fool you. Find a winding road, switch to sport mode, and the car's personality completely transforms. It becomes a razor-sharp sports car. The steering becomes precise and responsive, the throttle becomes immediate, and that V8 engine sings a song that will send shivers down your spine. The acceleration is relentless, pushing you back into your seat as the world blurs around you. It corners with a flatness and grip that defies its size and weight. It's a dance of man and machine, a perfect harmony of power and control. Scene, the car is parked as the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the vehicle. The man is leaning against it, looking out at the view. This car is more than just a mode of transportation, it's an experience. It's the thrill of performance, the comfort of ultimate luxury, and the beauty of exquisite design all rolled into one. It's a testament to what's possible when you refuse to compromise. For those who demand the best, this is it. Scene, final shot of the car driving off into the sunset. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Until next time, drive safe and dream big. Music fades out.